western Guernsey County, southeastern Muskingum County, northern Noble County, until 1:45 a.m. At 1:17 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles south of New Concord, or 12 miles northwest of Caldwell, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Cambridge, Gainesville, Antrim, Quaker City, Senecaville, Pleasant City, Cumberland, Lower City, Old Washington, Bell Valley, Sarasville, Salesville, High Hill, Batesville, Seneca Lake Park, and Wolf Run State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 178 and 195. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 28 and 46. National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio.